Hi everyone, uh, I am Swaraj, and in today's video, I will be giving you a quick demo of how Vryno CRM is helping one of our customer from the service-based industry streaming line their business operations. We will walk you through how Vryno CRM manages their leads, their contacts, organizations, their deals, and the customer interactions all at one place. You will also see how automations on workflows, reporting, feature make day-to-day service management smoother and more efficient. So let's jump up right in and explore how Vryno CRM keeps service businesses on the move. So after logging through your credentials to Vryno CRM, you will be redirecting to this home page of Vryno CRM, which is basically the dashboard, which is completely customizable. In here, we will we have all the widgets in graphical representations, pictorial representations, and widgets are nothing but all the custom views selected across fields, across different modules into uh, into photos and into graphs so that we can have a quick access, quick view at a glance of each and every module, of each and every field, of each and every status of different records. Now moving on to the UI. Here upright we have the navigation bar. In navigation bar, we can find here all the modules listed for this particular account. And if we move across to the right three bars, we can expand the navigation bar. Here we have the quick create option of adding a record to different modules. This is the calendar of Vryno CRM. Here, this is the universal search option. This is the notification center where we will be having all notifications of standard notifications and customer notifications here. Here we have all and on red corner. Then we have this profile icon. If you click on here, we will be accessible to different instances, bulk import option, recycle bin settings and logout. Now moving to one by one to this modules. Here we have a lead module where we manage our potential customers. If I tap on it, we will be going inside to this lead module. We can quick filter here with all the available fields for this particular module. We have this custom view. We can also create custom views by selecting certain fields, certain options, drop downs from the options available in this field corner. Then we have this search option of searching all the leads for this particular module. We can create new leads also here. Now moving on, after a lead is created, uh, if that particular lead is interested in buying one of our product, we will convert the lead into contact, organization, and deals. We can also associate different activities to all these modules, that is task, events, and follow-ups. We have the report module to export out each and every report for monthly report, sales report, deal pipeline report, invoices, quotations, projects reports, and so on. We have the inventory module, which has quotes, sales order, etc. For sending the quotation to generate the invoices. Then here, the according to the service industry, we have this instances like how many accounts are there for this particular organization, how to manage it. Then we have the expense module where the team members can log their expenses and those expenses shall be verified and being approved by the senior authority so they can reimburse those. Then we have the subscription module where we can add each and every deal into subscriptions, whether it is monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and we can track a record of it when the subscription has started, when the subscription has ended, like so on. Then we have the project module, how many deals we have got. According to a deal, we can create separate projects and we can track a record of it, that who is the owner of the project, what is the ongoing task, what is the current status, how many tasks are assigned till date, how many call logs are performed now. Similarly like that, Then we have the additional Stripe Link license for the subscription module. Nothing but we have just created a lookup module for this particular subscription module that if there is any separate additional Stripe subscription or additional user for a particular subscription, we can track a record of it. All these things are customizable here. You can customize according to your business module, according to your flow of the business, according to your requirement, that what type of modules you need, what type of fields you require, how many users are there, how to set the profile hierarchy, how to set the roles and permissions in field level roles and permissions and module level fields and permissions. You can manage your service type of business here in Vryno CRM very efficiently, very smoothly. So this is all about a very quick and short demo on managing a service-based industry business in Vryno CRM. Hope you have liked the demo, and hopefully, if you are interested in buying Vryno CRM for your requirement, then do contact us at www.vryno.com. Thank you so much.